The twisting bear. I will demonstrate first. One side, the other side. Awesome. So breaking this down, there's a lot of moving components. So I'll do it several times, and obviously you can play this tutorial back over and over again. Getting into bear, the same as we always do, lifting the butt up and back. My right hand stepping forward, my opposite foot, left, comes through, and then I pivot both the heels to the floor. The left foot just rests flat as it turns, but the right heel moves onto its side. My body weight's shifting over that hand so I can lower the hip down. Then you're pushing down, lifting back up. Opposite side, left hand comes forward, the right foot steps. I pivot both the heels, right foot sits flat, left heel comes down on its side so my left hip drops. And I'm in that nice deep twist. Right hand can help as you push down into the floor to lift back up. Heels pivot back, come back to the bear. Right hand, left foot, pivot the heels, lower that right hip. Push down through the right hand, lift up, step back. Left hand, right foot steps, heels pivot, lower that left hip. Push down to lift up, pivot, come back. It will take time to get this into the body, to wire it in. Always move slowly. Make sure your knees feel safe as you do this. Again, moving components, the heels, the foot, the shoulder over the hand, hips coming down, making sure your knees, legs feel safe. Push down, twist back, step back. If you have any questions, put them in the comments box below, get in touch. I'll endeavour to get back to you as soon as I can.